If you want to be able to power off and restart your OnePlus 15 without using any of these physical buttons, then we have two main ways to do so. We can, for example, open Settings. And then if we scroll down, we can go to Accessibility and Convenience. Next, we're going to go to Accessibility. And in here, you should be able to find Accessibility menu. We need to enable the shortcut, press Allow. Then we can tap on this button with 3 dots. And we have the power option, so if you tap on it, you will open the power menu. And of course, we can slide it down to shut down the phone or slide up for the restart. And besides that, what you can also do is you can go to Quick Settings or the Control Center, and you can actually add the power off button. And to do so, we need to tap on this pen at the top of Quick Settings. Next, we're going to tap on this plus button in the upper left corner. And let me actually go back. And I'm not sure why I cannot scroll to the previous page. Maybe it's some sort of a bug. Oh, actually, we need to disable it over here. All right, because I wanted to first remove it in order to show you how to find it. So if we scroll down in here, we should be able to find the power off button. In my case, it is over here, so we can just tap it in order to add it to the list. If you want to, of course, you can change the position of the button quite easily. And then we can tap on this button to restart or shut down the phone. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.